Hi friends. Welcome to Information Technology channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you of how to log in your TikTok account using your mobile number. But before we start, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and kindly click the bell icon to notify you if we have new videos. First, open your TikTok application on your mobile phone. Once you are here, tap the profile icon right here. Tap the login or sign up button. Once you are here, friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to use your mobile number to log in to your TikTok account. Just tap the use phone or email button. Your mobile number will pop up here if your SIM card is inserted on your mobile phone. If your number is not here on pop-up, just tap the none of the above. But if your number is already here in pop-up, just click or tap it. You can enter also your mobile number here. If your number not appear on pop-up, then click or tap the send code button. You will receive verification code on your mobile number. Then enter your code here. Your account will automatically log in to your TikTok application. That's it everyone. If you have questions, just comment down below.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.